Bly. Die meeste normale mense kan 'n slegte idee ignoreer as dit in hulle koppe kom. Zayn val ongelukkig nie in hierdie kategorie nie. Ons kort 'n drummer en 'n vocalist, meneer. So now we're back in class. We're no longer going through what Tian has thought about music and so forth. So the scene of this chapter is back in the music class. So Tian says most normal people can ignore a bad idea when it pops into their head, but Zayn doesn't fall into that category of people. So he voices that they need a drummer and a vocalist to meneer Marx. Die skoolorkes geniet die hele affære natuurlik baie. Hey, kan ons kom vir audisies? Roep iemand. Almal skater heel voorspelbaar. Solank julle nie 'n boereorkes is nie, probeer nog iemand 'n grap maak. En die ergste van alles is ek kan sien Zayn geniet die aandag. So obviously the school orchestra that's still in class is enjoying this whole situation. They find it very funny, and someone shouts, can they audition for these positions in the band? And as that person asks that, everyone starts laughing once again. Someone else shouts, as long as they're not a boereorkes. A boereorkes is a very old, traditional type of Afrikaans band. You can ask your teachers to show you a video. And the person saying that obviously meant it as a joke. And Zayn, of all things, is enjoying the attention that he's getting. Dis ongelooflik hoe Zayn partykeer nonsens kan aanvang terwyl 'n mens vir hom staan en kyk. Oop en bloot. As hy wil, kan hy selfs die kwaaiste gesigsuitdrukkings ignoreer, soos die een wat ek op die oomblik op my gesig het. Selfs al kon ek vir hom 'n telepatiese boodskap stuur wat sê, is jy nou heeltemal mal in jou kop? Sal hy 10 nie eers besef hy's besig om jou droog te maak nie. So Tian thinks to himself, Zayn can come up with the most weirdest things when you're standing and looking at him. It doesn't even bother him. He doesn't even realize that he's doing these things. And you can look at him with the most negative expression or show him that you're angry or upset, and he won't even realize it. And currently, obviously, Tian is very upset. Even if Tian was able to send a telepathic message to Zayn and ask him, are you out of your mind? Zayn would probably not realize what he is doing. Meneer Marx glimlag. So het julle al ooit audisies gehou? Have you ever held auditions? Dit lyk of Zayn 'n oomblik dink voor hy antwoord. Nog nie, meneer. Die klaskamer hier langsaan staan leeg. So, Mr. Marx asks, have they ever held auditions? And Zayn obviously answers, no, they haven't yet. So Mr. Marx